Hey, good morning everyone. Today in this class we'll see about food idioms or food phrases which we use in our daily sentences. So let's start. Please listen very carefully. I assure you won't forget hereafter. So first one is piece of cake. Piece of cake means something very easy. For example, the maths exam which I gave yesterday, it's like a piece of cake for me. Second one, couch potato, means a lazy person who watches TV a lot. For example, Ravi is a real couch potato, so he always fails. Next one is big cheese, means an important person like VIP. Example, he is a big cheese of this company, so you should be very nice to him. Next one is to go nuts. It means to get very upset or to go mad. For example, I don't know his behavior, he oftenly go nuts easily. Next one, smart cookie, means a very intelligent person, a smart fellow. Example, be careful, he is a smart cookie of this school. And the last one is cool as a cucumber, means very relaxed. For example, he is always as cool as a cucumber and never worries about anything. Thank you for watching. I hope you all understood these phrases very well. Just like it, share it and subscribe to my channel.